Let me show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to Cloudflare Pages in the easiest way possible. So basically, Cloudflare Pages is where your website lives, and Porkbun is where you bought your domain name. What we're doing is just telling Porkbun, hey, when someone types mydomain.com, send them to my Cloudflare Pages site. So here's how. Step 1. Go to your Cloudflare Pages project and copy the special website address it gives you. It usually ends with .pages.dev. Step 2. Log into Porkbun, find your domain, and open the DNS record section. Think of this like a list of instructions that tells the internet where to go. Now add a CNAME record for www that points to your Cloudflare Pages address. If you always want people to reach your site by just typing yourdomain.com without the www, add an alias record pointing to the same address. Finally, go back to Cloudflare Pages, click Verify, and give it a few minutes. Once it updates, your Porkbun domain will be fully connected to your Cloudflare Pages website. And that's it. Super simple. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.